Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a skincare video for you guys, and I actually just got back from an event. So I am wearing makeup, I am wearing foundation, concealer, some highlight, and a little bit of eyeshadow and some brows. But usually whenever I come home, I actually wash all my makeup off and I put some skincare on and just move on with my day. But lately, since it's been summer and I'm sweating a lot and I go to hot Pilates a lot, I noticed that my skin was kind of, if you guys can see, like creating a little bit of texture. I don't know if you guys can really see it because I am wearing makeup. I'm gonna take off my makeup right now and I'm going to do a little routine that I actually discovered online. So a lot of people get micro needling or get facials or get a lot of like extractions and things like that. I actually really never needed it because I never really had like crazy breakouts or anything like that. But I found this online on Amazon actually. This is the 6-in-1 Derma roller system. And I've noticed that people derma roll all the time. You can do it every day if you want to, or you can do it every few weeks or whatever you prefer. I probably won't do it that often. I probably will do it every few weeks. We're gonna try this together and see if my skin texture from like sweating and the makeup and everything will go away. I'm super excited to try the derma roller because I heard that it also produces collagen, which is amazing because I do drink collagen in my drinks, but it's always good to have extra collagen. So if you take a look, it comes in this package like this. This one is the 6-in-1 Derma Roller System, and it actually has 6 different sizes of items. So the one I'm going to be actually using is this one for the face. And this one is the one with 720 needles, and it is 0.25 millimeters. And we have to disinfect this, so I'm gonna open it together with you. And this is what it looks like. So let's go to the bathroom, wash my face, and use this. Let's try this together. I'm gonna wash my face and go to the bathroom and we will do it together. Okay, so I just tied my hair up and I'm going to wash my face. But I'm actually gonna take off my lashes. Totally forgot that I had them on. And I'm gonna use my favorite cleanser. This is the Tatcha Camellia Cleansing Oil. I have to be really careful because I have eyelash extensions on. And I just washed my face, but I might have to do it twice just because I wanna make sure everything is off of my face. I'm probably gonna do it one more time. I'm so extra, I got another pink towel. And I'm gonna wash my face one more time just to make sure everything is off. And then after that, I'm gonna disinfect my derma roller and disinfect my hands with rubbing alcohol. Take the Tatcha cleanser again. Yeah, it's just like this area, I feel like it's a little crazy. So this is my 6-in-1 Derma Roller System, and this is the Derma Roller that I'm going to be using, the 0.25 for the face with 720 needles. So whenever you get a package like this, it's usually sealed. Make sure you have one that's sealed when you buy online. If it's open, then don't use it. Make sure it's sealed. When you open it, grab the one that you're going to use. I'm going to be using this one. This 6-in-1 Derma Roller set comes with a tray where you can clean it. So I'm gonna take my rubbing alcohol right here and I'm going to put it in the tray. You can get like a jar or like whatever you have at home. I'm just gonna use this one because it just comes with it. And then soak your derma roller. Make sure it's literally soaked in there for 15 to 20 minutes. You gotta make sure the whole thing is covered. All the needles are being disinfected. And then once that is done, we're going to put it on my face. So there it is. So I also disinfect my hands with alcohol because we are going to be touching our face and the little needles are going to be going into our face, and you don't want to like have dirt or anything like that, because you're literally opening like a passageway into your face. So, you know, you want to keep it really clean. I sanitize my hands with rubbing alcohol as well. And now we are ready to derma roll. I have seen other tutorials online where they put stuff on like serum or something and derma roll. I think you can do that as well. I'm not going to do that because most of the tutorials that I found online, they don't use anything. So I'm going to take this derma roller, and the areas are this area right here, sometimes this area, but this is like the dry area that I can kind of feel a little bit of texture. So I'm gonna just go over that area carefully. And the derma roller is meant to just move in one direction, like if it's up or down or side to side, and it's not supposed to go like diagonal and stuff like that, you know? So I'm just gonna go over it. And you're supposed to do it till it feels almost like uncomfortable or weird. That way you're like sending these signals to your skin that it needs to produce collagen and fix itself. So like now it feels weird, so I'm gonna like stop doing it. And I'm gonna do it here. And it is kind of prickly a little bit, but you just get used to it. And you can get red, and you can also bleed, but I have not so far or experienced that. So once I go up and down, I am allowed to go sideways. Sideways have like a lot more room, so it's like a lot longer. It feels good, so that's why I'm closing my eyes. So now I'm gonna move on to the cheek. I'm not gonna move too close to the eyes because there's a tinier one for the eyes, and I can probably do that one, but I don't have any like crazy situation with the eyes right now, so I'm just gonna focus on the face because that's where I have like problematic areas. It tightens the skin. So when it starts to hurt a little bit, I like move it to a new part. So I never like move it or shove it because it is needles. So whenever I want to move it to another area, I lift it up. So now I'm gonna do my nose. I'm gonna actually just take my fingers, since they are clean, and go over the nose. My nose is really small, so it's kind of hard. I literally just had 3 parts. But yeah, it kind of turned red, huh? I'm gonna try not to touch my face, even though I did disinfect my hands, but yeah, so that's it. After you do that, you want to disinfect your derma roller again so you don't get any dirt on it, and obviously when you do it again later, you're gonna disinfect it again, but you want to make sure you soak it in again afterwards. So now I am done with derma rolling my face and giving myself a really cute micro needling treatment at home, and I'm going to put my products on my face because now my face needs it and it's clean and it's ready to really take everything in that I love so much. So I'm going to be using this Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. So put on your favorite serum, whatever you want to use or whatever you like. So I'm going to use this one. Feels so good. I feel like literally rolling that thing around my face helped, which is crazy because you look at the device and you're like, wait, no way is that gonna do anything. You think that something super strong like some kind of product will do it, but actually it's just your own skin fixing itself. Oh, it feels so good. And then I'm going to actually put on this product, Somerville Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer. And it's so cute because it's like a little pump like this. It feels so good and it smells so good. And then I'm going to be using the Somerville Retinol Firming Eye Cream for under my eyes. I love it. And now I'm just going to drink some water, relax, watch some Netflix, and enjoy my skin. And I really like how it feels rolling that derma roller on my face, and doing that really helped because I felt like my skin was almost like it was like trapped, and it felt like all the little pokies just made my skin feel free. So I really like how it feels, and I totally recommend it if you guys want to try it out and do it at home. There's tons of video tutorials that you can find online as well. Like that's what I did. I looked it up. I linked it below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys want to see more skincare tutorials and more at-home spa days, I do them a lot actually, so let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.